Hello. Our relationship wasn't working the way it used to. Did you think it's easy for me now? You broke me plenty times, but I never give up. The reason I want to break up is not you, it's me. Being in a relationship brought out a different side of me that I never thought was in me. I was lying, cheating, and doing all the wrong things. My love for you was real. I can promise you that. But the person I became when I was lying and cheating, I don't want to go back to that. I don't want to go back into a relationship where I was doing all the things I was doing before. I want to change. I want to be a better person, not only for myself, but everyone around me. I don't understand why you're doing this kind of decision. It's not only you suffer because of your family, I am too. But I'm still here holding on this relationship because I know one day God answers us and show us the right way to help our families if we keep trying and try till we die. But too bad, you already let go.
Pese tupu e tau mateia Lagona lilo matau sa afie tupu ai matega Malelo to mafatia Nanamu mai manogi ofu ala au Feave mai ele to e lau Le asau sila silo wale tau Ya to apea le tai Fagalo ya tuana'i Otele toe fia Manatua O lagona na mo o e la upele La ufotua Tau ia e Manatua Upu ole ta fea gaiga Ya tu maupea le alofa le mawhai Na matinea Ole a sauva ai mai sofa tauva Ilo uleo atu ile tou aiga Alofa ya e famagalo mai low Tagata maso vai vai E tu mapea ole favavau La utau tinoga mo oilo uau lo Lumanai o te mau lo ulima Se o tau toi lo utuga mo Fagalo ya tuana'i Otele toe fia Manatua O lagona na mo o e la upele La ufotua Tau ia e Manatua Upu ole ta fea gaiga Ya tu maupea le alofe le mawhai Na matinea Fagalo ya tuana'i Otele toe fia Manatua O lagona na mo o e la upele La ufotua Tau ia e Manatua Upu ole ta fea gaiga Ya tu maupea le alofe le mawhai Na matinea Fagalo ya tuana'i Otele toe fia Manatua O lagona na mo o e la upele La ufotua Tau ia e Manatua Upu ole ta fea gaiga Ya tu maupea le alofe le mawhai Na matinea